Hey guys, it's MJ from Endless RVing, and we are about to take you on a nice little tour of the Aliner LXE 2020. You're not going to want to miss it.
Guys, so these A-liners, these are a big deal for people that don't have that big truck that they could tow with. You can tow this with a medium-sized SUV just because of the low weight on it, okay? These are gonna break down into a small package, but as you can see, when they open up, you're gonna have a lot of headroom because it's peaked at top. All right, so this is gonna be a step above like tent camping. You're gonna have a bathroom in there and a full kitchen, which we'll show you shortly. But let's do a quick walkthrough outside. You're gonna have the steel plated or some kind of protection here that's going to protect against the rocks kicking up. You're going to have the manual tongue jack. It's going to be on your typical A-frame for a trailer. If you look over here, this is going to be a fiberglass laminate, and you have a sliding window up front. Continuing down the passenger side, you have a storage place right here. It's locked, but there's some storage in there. This is solar ready. And it's also made with the Azdel composite. What that's going to do, the Azdel, it's going to be rot-proof, waterproof. Basically, is going to greatly reduce the chance of this delaminating. Going down to the door, you have a split door, okay, with also a window on here. One step to get in. Single tire, single axle, okay. Dual power outlets. You have your light over here, another big window, as well as a storage compartment over here. So here in the back, you see you continue having the protection from the rock stones, or anything that might get kicked up. You're also going to have a plastic, like poly type rear glass. And you look on top, the A-frame is going to allow any water to drip down. It's not going to pool up on a flat roof. Continuing on the driver's side, you see over here you have your markers. You're going to have your freshwater connection as well as your water fill, fresh water fill. You'll have your 6-gallon hot water heater, and you're also going to have your cable hookup. 30 amp service. Look at the big windows over here, okay? And this is really important because when you go to camp, you want to see what's going on. You can see inside very clear. You're also going to have your air conditioning unit. And if you continue looking here, you have some storage. And then we'll finish up on the front again with that big front window. So we brought you the outside of this compact unit. We're now going to take it inside. Hi.
Welcome.
Welcome. We're gonna lock everybody out.
Yes.
All right. Quick.
Can't come in. Filming in progress.
All right. Sorry. They're locked out. All right. So let's switch this. I'll have MJ take over here.
So we've got your eat and poop area. You want to get it open?
Yeah.
First?
It's a shower there, right?
Mm-hmm. Yep. And all the shower stuff is in the toilet.
So they say you shouldn't crap where you eat, but you can shower where you crap.
There's your table.
Well, actually, you will crap where you eat.
Yeah, you are crapping where you eat. Or eating where you crap, whatever. I like this little Velcro thing. That's just neat. Okay. Oh God, I don't want that to fall on me. Your little curtains here. Again, there's a lot of windows and a lot of light coming in this thing. And then so we have our stuff here.
We didn't want to get jacked for our tire pressure monitoring system.
Woo-hoo, somebody's gonna walk away with it. All right, so you've got your sink here, a couple outlets. There's a little storage. I'm assuming a garbage can of some sort.
Okay.
Or something else. Microwave. Here's your, well, actually here, nice air conditioner, which you probably saw outside. 2 burners.
You have a refrigerator,
Fridge.
This is just a single extension.
Dometic fridge,
And there's a wet
as well as a nice big mirror here.
Correct. And then there are several with just a body.
And then move it out to the back and see what's going on.
Here's your seats. You got some more storage underneath. And a ton of storage under here, under your bed. Easily fit 2 people on this bed. Okay. Another nice size window here. All right. Again, you're gonna get a ton of light in and a ton of cross ventilation. It's gonna keep it nice and cool in here. And in terms of height, so I am 5'9".
This has the high wind kit.
Okay.
Yeah, reach up.
Yeah. Yeah. I mean, I can't even reach the top.
Put on that side.
These are nice. Cute. And over here as well.
Up top you have an exhaust fan. And the most important question everybody's asking, what is the cost on this? MSRP 23,743, on sale for 28,711.
All right, guys, hope you enjoyed that. So again, that was the 2020 Aliner LXE.
Guys, we thank you for watching. If you like the video we just brought you, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell. Also, if you know anybody that's looking for a small A-liner type, if they're tired of camping in a tent and having to crap in the woods, please share this video. Also, if you like the video, make sure you hit the thumbs up button. So for myself and MJ, we switched it up. We're both on camera. We thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you on the road.